Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this very rare, lovely looking Volkswagen Tiguan Match. It's in lovely condition, 19 plate. It's got park distance control. Paintwork's in lovely condition, metallic black. Lovely grey alloy wheels, rear park distance control. Absolutely gleaming in the sunshine. The boot area is in lovely condition. This is where it gets interesting. The interior is absolutely lovely. Contrasting interior. Got the picnic tables, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric memory seats. Car's on 105,364 miles. Starting up. It's got cruise control, automatic headlights, climate control, USB, AUX, Bluetooth. The media pack on. The full menu there. The satellite navigation. Just loading up. Park distance control with camera. Media pack. Bluetooth connectivity. DAB radio. Heated seats, climate control. Really is a lovely looking car. DJH have full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 000.